Hi Gucci's team, how you all doing? Yeah, welcome back to my channel. If you're just stopping by, I want to say a very huge thank you to you, to my consistent returning subscribers. I want to say thank you all so very much. I love you all, I do appreciate. In today's video, I want to do pasta. There's this pasta, Chinese pasta I tasted some time ago, and I just want to do it my own way. They use oyster sauce, they use dark soy sauce. Yeah, I just want to use fresh vegetables for my own recipe. I prefer to use fresh vegetables, but it's going to look fantabulous. Okay? So if you're interested, come on, let's do this together. Alright, let's get into it. So to my hot water, like I told you all, I usually boil my hot water for my spaghetti. I just turned it down because I want you all to see what I'm doing. I'm going to be adding some groundnut oil. This is so that my pasta will not glue together. I'll add a little drop of groundnut oil. As you can see, I just added groundnut oil. Okay. So next, I'm going to be adding my salt. I will add a little bit of my Maggi seasoning just to give it some taste before it goes into the tomato sauce. Okay. Okay, here I want to close it up and let it come to a boil one more time. So fam, this is the pasta I'm going to be using. You can use any pasta of your choice. I'll be using 3 of them. Okay, going to be adding my pasta one after the other. This is how I like to add my pasta. You can go ahead and break your pasta into your hot water, but I don't like to, like break my pasta. Yeah, so I'll allow it to drip gently into the hot water before I stir it all together. It's a very sumptuous delicacy. It's a sumptuous pasta recipe. Okay, I would really appreciate if you try this with your family, and it's quick and easy to make. Yeah, so I'll prep the other stuffs and I'll let you see it. Okay, stay tuned. I don't know if you have ever experienced when you don't stir your pasta this way. When you're making your pasta, it will all glue together. Yeah, so you just want to stir it like this to make sure you separate them from each other. Yeah, and then you allow it to cook for just 5 minutes because you don't want it soggy now. Okay, you don't want your pasta soggy. You want to cook that pasta that will be so yummy. I mean, I don't know how to describe it, but if you have been doing this anyway, you understand what I mean. See how beautiful. That's why you need a little groundnut oil to help it separate from each other, just like this. And you don't need too much water now. All you need is just water that will cover the pasta. As you can see, this is just the normal for it, and it tastes so amazing. By the time you put it in that sauce, you can imagine how it's going to come out to look. Okay, so I'm still prepping my sauce. I'll show you the results. Okay fam, here our pasta is ready. I want to pour it in the strainer. So all you need to do is pour your pasta in a strainer. Immediately you run cold water through it. So you just run cold water through it and just set it aside. Yeah, these are the vegetables I'm going to be using, fam. I'm using orange bell, red onions, yellow onion, green chili, garlic and ginger. So I'm going to go ahead and blend all of this together. Okay, so I'm going to blend. Okay fam, I'm going to be adding my groundnut oil to the pot. Use any oil of your choice. So next I'm going to be adding this chopped onion. Stir. Add some bay leaf. Add some menthol seed. I'm going to be adding rosemary, some black pepper. You can skip any of chili pepper, some paprika, some curry. Here you want to add some turmeric. You have to use it though, but these are the things I like in my food. Yeah. I have some sea salt here. Use any salt of your choice. All-purpose seasoning. Add to your preference or choose any seasoning of your choice. Okay? You just need to make this delicious and sumptuous. Stir all of this together. Now you want to add your tomato puree, your tomato paste, whichever one you want to use though. Add it all together. Mix all of this together. Trust me guys, this is going to come out delicious. It's a quick and beautiful recipe. Okay guys, this has been cooking for like 10 minutes actually, because you want your tomatoes to, like cook down. You don't want it to have that sour taste. Like you don't want to test the sour taste when you are making this very pasta sauce. Okay, so I always give you a tip: add salt to your tomatoes anytime you're making it, because that will help bring down the sour taste of your tomatoes, especially if you're using can. So here are my blended stuffs. Very delicious. Okay, so go ahead and try it with the family. Try it for your friends. You might want to make this and send it to your pastor. You might want to make this and send it to your, just anyone you love. Just want them to have a taste of a very beautiful meal. So I'm going to close it up and then I'll toast the beef, because we are going to be using beef for this pasta recipe, like I told you. So from here is my beef, grounded beef. You can use any type. You can use chicken to make this recipe. You can use ham. Yeah, you can use turkey. Yeah. So I'm going to put this in the pot, okay? Yeah. As you can see, our sauce is cooking. Yeah, so I'll just add this beef. To my beef, I'm going to add my herbs. So fam, in order not to waste your time, I've gone ahead to add my paprika to the beef. I've gone ahead to add curry. I added parsley. I added turmeric. Here is my black pepper. All of this I have added because I want this beef to taste amazing. Here is my green herb, okay? Yeah, I've added my green herbs just like that. So I'll use this to toast this beef. Yeah, honestly, you want to try this recipe, you will love it. I didn't add salt because I discovered that this beef used to have its own salt, so I added all-purpose seasoning, just a little bit, you know. So feel free to add whatever seasoning you want to add to your beef. Yeah, this is all I have added. I'll let it cook until it will all turn brownish. That will tell you it has cooked nicely. So you just want to allow it. You don't want it to burn now. That's why you have to keep stirring it together. You don't have to add too much oil. All you need to do is just to grease your pot a little bit. Yeah, because this grounded beef brings out a lot of oil. So you don't want too much oil in this very recipe. It's a very quick and simple recipe, like I told you. Honestly, you will love that you've made it. Your children will enjoy, your husband will enjoy. So I'll just leave it and let it cook while I turn it over until everything is nicely cooked. Stay tuned. So you all know I like vegetables in my food. Yeah, so I'm going to be adding this chopped vegetables. Okay guys, here is what our beef looks like. I want to add this by the side. So see what you want your beef to look like. Trust me, it is very delicious. Your girls love this recipe a lot. One tip I'm going to give you is let your food cook well. Not like cooking until it is totally dead like the vegetables, no, but let your food always cook well. It is always good to eat well seasoned and well cooked food. You won't have to bother about stomach issues. You won't have to bother about running stomach. Yeah, you won't have to bother about all of that because you are sure that you are eating a well prepared food. Make sure you don't add too much salt. Make sure you don't add too much Maggi seasoning. But you know, cook this food in such a way that with less than little ingredients, you make this food very delicious and sumptuous. Okay? Especially when you cook it well, just like this. Nicely cooked. Very tasty, very delicious. Everything accurate. Okay fam, here is my pot where I'm going to be mixing my spaghetti. You want to add your spaghetti like so to your pot, whichever pot you're using to mix. You add your spaghetti like so. So you want to add your chicken broth, your whatever broth, beef broth. Yeah, that's just to give it a lovely taste. Yeah, here you want to start adding your sauce. Put your stove on low because already everything is well cooked. You just want to mix everything together now, but you just need a little heat. Then you mix. Yeah, so I'm going to add my sauce. So fam, here is my sauce. I'm going to add it into my pasta. Add a generous sauce into this pasta if you want to enjoy it. Yep. You see? Now you want to go ahead and mix all of this together. I'll be mixing this. All you just need to do is mix. Here you want to add your beef. You add gently. See how it's delicious. See guys, all you basically need is just to mix everything into this pasta. Mix your sauce, mix your beef, mix your chicken. Whatever you are using, you want to mix it into your pasta. You want to mix your beef, you want to mix your chicken. See how beautiful. I just want you to see how it is. It is a very delicious meal, honestly. You want to enjoy this with your family. I hope you have been giving it several likes. It's a very beautiful recipe. Try this with your family. Try this with your friends.
See how sumptuous, guys. Look how beautiful. Yes, it's so delicious, guys. I hope you watched from the beginning of this video till this time. And if you have watched till this time, honestly, run quickly to the store and get it done. Or just go to your freezer and check out those fresh vegetables, put them together and let your family enjoy it. You can use chicken, you can use shrimp, yeah, you can use turkey, you can use even bacon. But honestly speaking, I love this beef recipe. Yes, I'm going to be showing you. I think I have a couple of spaghetti videos on my channel, but this one, the name is but this is Chinese recipe. I just decided to go about it my own way. Just go about some recipes your own way and see if you will get exactly the same thing. My own is even very delicious. So go and try mine. Okay, I don't want oyster sauce, I don't want soy sauce. I just want to enjoy fresh food, and I love it. Okay, I hope you find this video interesting. If you have been watching till now, you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, and make sure to hit on the notification bell, so every time we upload new videos on this platform, you will be the first to get notified. I hope you love this video. Go and try it. I'm ready to take this to my church family. I'm ready to come back home and enjoy myself. This is a very delicious recipe. Go and try it and you will love it. Gucci's team, I love you all so much. Thank you for staying. Be kind, be merciful, be loving. God loves the merciful heart. Ciao.